Psyduck, and this is an Xbox 360, and it's faulty. We'll show you it's faulty, and we shall show you all the fix. Get going then. Wait, you get going. This is the Xbox. You can see the red ring of death. And you can also see his hand. Idiot. Idiot.
Sorry.
Next step is to take it apart. He's going to get on with it, and then we shall show you the circuit board. Circuit board, circuit board, circuit board, circuit board, circuit board. First off, you'll select the right tool for the job. I use a truck screwdriver, and then we go over to the Xbox, and you'll destroy it. Destroy it. First off, you get rid of this. You look at yourself in the mirror. Oh. Then you get rid of this. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. And then you get rid of these side bits. I'm clever. I don't undo screws. Here we have the heatsink. This thing overheats. And here we have the bridge. First says all your nice cool air get in there. And this is the drive. As you can see. This bit here has to come off. Which bit? This bit here. We must remove this bit here as well. Which bit? This bit. Remove this bit. Oi, you! You! Remove it! Remove it now! Okay. Direct. Okay, I must remove this clip here. This clip here. Be careful with this clip, you could break it. And then you have to remove this. Don't chuck it like that. Then you would undo the screws on here. I do. Yes. And then you remove this belt. Don't do this at home. Yeah. And then you would undo these Xbox bits at the back. Show them the Xbox bits. You come out of my face. No, get this bit out. It's your power cable. Get this out. Can't get it out. Use a screwdriver. Get that out. Now we have removed the screws, then we remove the drive. Remove the drive! Remove the drive! I think it's broken now. Then remove the bridge. There you are. Through both hands. Cool. Then you must remove the motherboard. As you can see, my motherboard is out. I just pull it. Ow! Now, you should be left with a nice pile of parts like this. Maybe also neater than this. When you flip the motherboard over, you will see the X clamps. Ooh, pretty. Then, with Psyduck magic, you'll remove the X clamps and replace it with the X clamp fix. And Max, get set. Just remove these like this. You might want to take more time so you don't scratch the motherboard. He scratched the motherboard, so this thing is dead. I think. Then them little bolts are the X clamp. You would put those in there instead of those X clamps that you took out. It's very confusing because the bolts aren't really in an X, and the X clamps are. And they're the originals, which you don't need anymore. These things you don't need, and these things you do need. And if you were taking these off, get a pair of these rusty pliers. Yeah, rusty pliers. That's what he uses. It's rubbish. And this is the X clamp I brought off eBay. The X clamp is just basically the screws. I've replaced the X clamp with the things, and that's your X clamp fix. Right, now we've got the X clamps on, then we're going to put them back in the case and put all of this crap back together. If you can find all the bits. You're rubbish, you can't find the bits.